Hey look, it's the LEGO Microfighters Vulture Droid.
Hey look, toys!
This is the LEGO Microfighters Vulture Droid, set 75073, recommended ages 6 to 12, with 77 pieces. The Vulture Droid appeared in Star Wars Episode 1, The Phantom Menace. The Microfighters sets are all little versions of Star Wars vehicles, paired with relatively oversized minifigures, so they come out looking kind of cute and silly. And here's the build. So on the bottom they have a pair of pressure launch missiles, accompanying the instructions with the usual warning not to aim them at someone's face. One nice feature which is shown in the box, but not in the instructions, is that since the wings can rotate, you can turn them down to kind of get the four-legged walking mode that the Vulture Droid has in the movies. This Vulture Droid is a good easy build with a nice variety of pieces if you want to get creative. It's also fun to have these vehicles without the time and expense of the regular size models. Thanks for looking. Check out our other LEGO builds, and please subscribe if you're enjoying them.